Hey guys, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video we're going to talk about split testing by priority number 3, and that is split testing your ads mobile versus desktop. Because on Facebook you have people that are on their laptop and desktop computers, and also people that just browse around on their phone. And based off what device you're using will really determine the type of behavior that you demonstrate toward ads. And this is going to be shocking. So listen, you are in for a special treat in this video because I have a split test that I'm going to show you that has pretty crazy results. So get ready for this. Let's go on Facebook now and let's look at a split test I did for mobile versus desktop. Okay, so here we are in my Facebook account, and you are looking at a campaign that has been broken out from mobile to desktop. You can see that reflected right here where I'm highlighting, I'm trying to highlight, right here, mobile versus desktop. And the results are absolutely mind-blowing, okay? It's just crazy. I would have thought, personally, people on a desktop computer would convert better because the ads are bigger, it's easier to click and shop on a computer than it is a cell phone. But the results right here are just, they speak differently. And you can't argue with the numbers. This is a fact. So this campaign is broken out mobile versus desktop, okay? Now, mobile is right here at the top. I've had 315 sales come in from mobile phones. My cost per conversion is $7. Remember, the lower this number, the better. The lower your customer acquisition cost is, the better. I've spent $2,400 and I've made $6,000, $6,400 or $6,300. So the ROI is looking to be close to 300%. Okay, 300%. Now, I think that's 300%. Don't hold me to that. I did terrible in school, and I don't have a calculator with me right now. And then desktop computers. Everybody's seeing my the ad on their desktop computer. That would be a laptop or an old school PC. I've had 93 sales. I've spent $1,400, and I've only generated $2,100. My cost per conversion is more than double, or just right at double. On desktop computers, $15 per conversion opposed to $7. Who would have thunk, right? It's crazy. It's just, there's no explanation. I can't say, oh, well, this is why desktops convert better. It just is what it is. And you don't know this unless you split test, right? Unless you split test, you have no clue where you're making or losing money. And here I'm barely making any money. I've spent $1,500 to make $2,100 basically, okay? There's money there, but it's a small profit. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to turn it off because it's making me a profit, but the ROI is not 3 times my ad spend like it is on the mobile phones, right? So this is eye-opening right here. Look, if you're not split testing mobile versus desktop and your campaign is losing money, I guarantee you that if you were to dive in and look at the difference between mobile visitors versus desktop visitors, you would find that one of them converts better than the other. And if you were able to just go in and click one and turn it off, turn off the loser and leave yourself with the winner, it might flip your campaign from a negative to a positive, because now you're able to see, oh, desktop, people visiting my website on desktop computers to this ad are losing me money. They're not converting. Let's turn them off. Now we're left with just the winners. But if you dump them all into one campaign and you just target your ad to, you target your ad to mobile and desktop together in one ad. You lump them together. It's like that one ad is going to be showing on both mobile and desktop, which means you're wasting valuable time and money on a placement that's not converting for you. Whereas here, we can see exactly who's who, what's what, turn off the loser, and leave ourselves with the winner. So I think this is an amazing split test right here. It's really eye-opening. And if this doesn't get you to start split testing mobile versus desktop, I don't know what is. But I'm telling you, this is something you must do because it is a big deal and it will make a huge difference and impact on your campaigns and your profits. All right, that's it for priority number 3. Go ahead to the next one, and we're going to hit priority number 4, and you'll be in for another eye-opening split test. Okay, I'll see you there.